Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about DAG, how do backup work on DAG environments, right? So if you have implemented distributed availability group in your environment, so how can you perform the backup? What are the best practices, right? What are the functions you use to uh, get a help or monitor that backup and all? So question is, what happens to backups in distributed availability group? So essentially there are two independent AG means availability group, often across the region or even continents. Backup are not synchronized across the distributed group. Each AG maintains its own backup strategy with no automatic propagation of backup metadata. This means you can take independent backup on either side, but you must track recovery path separately. There is no built-in coordination of log chain across the distribution replica. The best practices for DAG backup is here. Designated consistent backup strategy. Choose a preferred site for differential full and log backups. Use DMF for monitoring purpose, that is SQL Server use this function to identify the best replica automated backup. Determine if current replica preferred for the backup. Select this and the database name. Means you have to use that this function. What is that? Automate. The third option of best practices is automate with the SQL Server agent. Configure backup job respect prefer replica logic and avoid double backup across the site. So you can use from the SQL Server agent. Advantages, right? So advantages of replica on the DAG, basically we can say that reduce load on primary replica, enable logically backup strategy, support faster regional restores, enhance redundancy of the disaster recovery plans. What is the disadvantage for it? Backup chain are not unified, manual coordination during the restore, complexity across the region, disaster recovery, need detailed document and job maintenance. So this is about the how do backups work in distributed availability group, along with the best practices, the DMF which is used for getting assistance of the preferred backup and all, right? Or you can also use that system views, basically backup family and backup media set, right? Backup set and backup media set, media family for the backup details and all. So thank you for watching.